When you're not sure which model suits a shot, you don't have to guess. Run them side by side. Click Compare. The picker opens on its own, and now you're building a lineup instead of picking one model. Whatever you had selected is already in. Add up to 2 more. The model button keeps score, and the price is the total for all 3, the whole comparison, before you run any of it. This is worth doing at 1K. 3 models at 1K costs about what a single model costs at 2K. So audition cheap, then render your winner full size. Generate runs all 3 together. They come back as one card. Same prompt, same settings, 1 cell per model, each one labeled. Now the difference between them is something you can see instead of something you have to imagine. Pick your winner, switch back to that model, and render it properly. Next up, your first video.